First angle is conversion by traffic source. This one is just for marketing teams. We have a table including different traffic sources. So I gave you several examples, but you can either add more to them, and I think you should, like at least 5, or you can divide those that are here into subgroups. So for example, you can separately have ideas for AdWords as general and separately for AdWords as keywords and display ads. For each of those traffic sources, you can come up with multiple ideas on how you can improve conversion. So for example, let's take Facebook ads. So I can create a separate automation for Facebook lead ads. So when someone provides their contact information within Facebook, so for example, he could ask for a demo in Facebook lead ad. So I can have an automation that will get this contact to user engage, and it would send a notification to the sales representative. Another idea would be that if someone is just clicking an ad, a pay-per-click ad inside Facebook and coming to my website, then I can show him a custom chat message that mentions the source of the traffic or the term inside the ad itself. So for each of those, I can create multiple ideas. Let's move on to the second angle. This one is conversion by conversion channel or funnel. So I can convert my website visitors in different ways. One of them could be signing up for a newsletter, registering for the application, scheduling a meeting, making a call, like calling the company, or a social media interaction. So for each of those, again, I can create multiple automations. The goal here is that the conversion that is mentioned here is conversion from this stage to the next stage. So from newsletter, for example, to a call, or from a meeting to being a customer. The next angle is also for marketing teams, is by buyer persona. I've mentioned buyer personas before. So having multiple buyer personas gives you so many inspirations for how you can automate different processes, how you can talk with those people, how you can engage them on the website and increase conversion and so on. The next angle is nurturing by conversion channel. In many companies, the marketing team is actually responsible for the nurturing cadences inside the application. In this case, we have different conversion channels, and you can come up with different ways of nurturing those leads to increase retention and conversion on further layers of the funnel. Those are ideas strictly related to retention and different situations where retention is crucial. So for example, when someone deletes their app inside your system, or when someone has web push notifications enabled but does not visit your website too often. Again, you can include your ideas here. The next one is engagement. So you have different situations and you can respond to those situations with different automations that will increase the engagement of your users. So for example, someone's just coming to your website, or someone is really engaged or searches for something on your website, and so on and so forth. You should absolutely include more situations here because there are countless of them and each website is different. So creating automations that specifically fit your website will absolutely work better than the template. Next one is lead processing. In many companies, the marketing team is responsible for lead processing. So here you can include different situations or different processes that you can automate regarding lead processing. Then tasks done manually. This will be the same for each team. So next one is tasks done manually. Each department has different tasks that they just have to repeat and repeat. And they take so much time, but actually have very little value. So for example, lead qualification, notifying sales about new opportunities, or data input is something marketing teams do very often. It's not hard to come up with different ideas on how you can either automate them or streamline those processes.